Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet, and that is called Ha. So it's different than Ha. Ha is different as another articulation point with another articulation point, and this is called Ha. And the sound is Ah. Ah, the second part of Ah. Okay. So the articulation point for Ha is, it is one of the throat letters, one of the 6 letters of the throat letters, okay? Okay, so if you see here, we know that the throat is divided into 3 parts, okay? And that is the deepest part. So the deepest part of the throat, meaning the farthest from the mouth, that's the farthest from the mouth and closest to the chest. So the next is is the chest, okay? That's the articulation point. And if you see here, in that case, if you see in Ha, the vocal cords are slightly open compared to another one, Hamza, that's kind of almost closed. So that's the vocal cord remains slightly open, but it is pronounced from the deepest part of the throat. As the sound is Ah, Ah, and the letter is Ha, okay? Different than Ha. Next one is, okay, so is it a heavy or light letter? It is one of the light letters, because when we are pronouncing it, then the mouth our mouth goes into the state of as if we are going to start smiling. Ha, Ah, Ha, Ah, okay? Is it a connector or non-connector? It is one of the connecting letters, or one of the connectors, because if you see its connecting states, connecting forms, okay? If it's written in the beginning, it looks like this. The shape is slightly different. We will draw it when we come to next slide, inshallah. Okay, if it's written in the beginning, it looks like this, and it can be, other letters can be connected to it after it. If it's in the middle, you can connect other letters with it before or after it, and if it is at the end, then you can connect other letters before it. So since it fulfills the condition of connecting letters, that therefore it is a connector. Okay, how to write it? Okay, so it is written somewhat around a teardrop, okay, around a teardrop, and it rests on the line. Let me draw it. So if it is unconnected, separate form, it is written like this, okay? That's when it's separate. If it is in the beginning, it looks like this. You have to draw it like this. That's how you draw it in the beginning. And in the middle, it looks like this, okay, the middle, and at the end looks like this. Sometimes you see differently as well. Sometimes in the middle it is written like this, okay? You will see in the Quran sometimes it is written like this as well, okay? So we can connect it, this one here, this one here, okay? Draw it here again, okay? Different forms, okay? So you can write it like, we draw it like here, so it's like this, or we can write it like this. 2 ways of writing, okay, in the middle. 3 ways of writing in the middle, okay? So what is the English equivalent for Ha? It is H, because we don't have for Ha, but for Ha we do have in English for H, okay? So hello or happy. For transliteration purposes, we use the sound H to represent Ha, okay? Okay, so that is the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.